Maybe. Maybe. We should be here now. Even though we're 17 seconds late, it finally loaded. We were ready to go. Chat is not in. There's the chat. Very good. I like it. Who do we have first today? Oh, yeah, Frank. That's right. I already saw it. Frank and Nick F. First, as always, man. I love it. Oh! Brett! What are you doing, Brett? Samblo looks lovely today. Brett, oh my gosh, I'm glad you're here, Brett. How you doing, man? Hello, Donnell. Donnell, good morning to you. Julie Miller, good morning to you. Now on Doritos. I brought this on myself. I don't even know what the Doritos are, but I like it. Oh, buy Doritos Clorox wipes. What did Chris say? Chris says, it's 11:31. Where are the ads? Did you get an ad? Did you get an ad? Chris, did you get an ad? If you didn't, man, I'll give you another one. Darn, it didn't work. What didn't work, man? I don't even know what didn't work. Morning, Clay. Kyle G, how you doing? Guys, what do you think about the haircut? Let me know. Is it good? Is it bad? Did I do a good job? Should I do it again? Should I cut it? Should I just go bald? Like, let me know what you guys expect out there. Let's see what we got going on in this beautiful market today. Oh, my goodness. What a glorious day. We got AMC battling for break even today, $29 per share. Shiba sitting at 3,500 points per coin. We got Prague. Oh my gosh, dude. Prague was down pre-market. Prague is up right now. Prague is having a very volatile day. So hopefully Devil's Advocate's calls are looking good since he swapped some calls or swapped some shares for calls. And then GameStop down there in the bottom right. I don't think you guys can see it. GameStop is down 3.5% right now. Very interesting day, guys. Tesla is back down below $1,000 at $900 per share. If Tesla goes back down to, like, I don't know, $400 per share, let's all go buy like 100 shares. What do you guys think? Tesla drops back down to $400 a share. Let's go grab like 100. Nice haircut. Donnell, thank you. Good morning, Clint. I like the new do. Frodo, thank you very much. Crystal, looking good. Love the haircut. Guys, Crystal was a winner on one of the videos. If you guys are not sharing the videos, I don't know why you're not sharing the videos. Go share the videos if you haven't already. It's winning December. I wish December started with a W. That would have made more sense, but it is winning December, and looks like we're frozen. And are we back now? Maybe we're back. I don't know what's going on, but hopefully we're good. Dude, what happened to your hair? Boat bum! I lost it, man. I woke up, and it was just gone. Boy, I stopped talking, and then, I know I'm gonna get yelled at now. I know I'm gonna get yelled at. Alright, we should be good. Heck yes, I was a winner. Crystal, I love it. Frank, what do we got Frank doing? Frank said Frank is going audio only for a few minutes, shoveling more snow. Frank, stay warm, my man. I saw the picture of your car, and that looks terrible. So, not your car, but the snow. I'm glad that we do not have that kind of snow here in Ohio. YouTube is trash this morning. I'm telling you, man. It's a little weird, isn't it? Yes, it is. Silence! All I can say... I thought Frank was silent, man. I thought he was going audio. All I can say is, it's about time. Chris! What's Chris got to say, man? 11:33, video starts. Click! Got a new setup mod button. No ads. Starting off with a super cuz they mysteriously stopped working in Matt's live. Very interesting. No, man, look. I did not get the computer. I do have all the parts for the computer, but I'm telling you what, man. I'm telling you what. I think, I don't want to say I bit off more than I can chew, but I will tell you, I was surprised by the amount of giveaways that I had to get ready this weekend, alongside all of the videos. I did not find time, after going to the store and picking up all the components for the desktop, I did not have time to put the computer together because, dude, I'm telling you, there's a lot of giveaways in a week. When you're doing 6 giveaways a day. Like, that's a lot of giveaways, man. So, yeah, dude, my weekend was busy getting all that stuff sorted out. Your car is hideous, Frank. Yeah, dude, your car is not hideous, man. The snow is hideous. That's a fact. Congrats on 66K. Thank you, Nick F. I'm very happy with 66K. But, guys, I was talking to my dad this morning, and my dad says, what do you think you're going to end the year on? Oh, man. We got to do a poll somehow. We got to do a poll. Hold on. There's only 48 of you in here. We got to do a poll. All right. Create poll. Yes. Well, dude, I don't know what's going on. I think YouTube may be having a problem this morning. It says there's problems on the YouTube here. How many subscribers will we have at year's end? 60s, 70s, 80s, 90s. Ah! All right, we're swapping. We're swapping. I'm not even going to give that an option then. 70s, 80s, 90s. Let's go. Hundreds. Gosh. Okay, you guys can understand that. You guys can understand that. It's a range, all right? It's not 70s. It's 70,000s, 80,000s, 90,000s, and so on. Put your guesses in there now. Clay's getting a computer. Yes! What happened to the wet Samsung? Brett, the wet Samsung dried out, man. The wet Samsung. I'm honestly still going to use the wet Samsung. But I did get a computer. Got it on sale Black Friday. And picked it up on Saturday. It all came in to Best Buy on Saturday. And, dude, I could not find time to put it together on Saturday. It's a big one, man. I like your cut, G. Doge Gaming! Thank you very much. I cut it yesterday. You're like a radio announcer. Love your content. Where did they go? New to crypto and got Shiba because of you. Lady Jesus. I love it. We get it. Lady Jesus. Are you related to Joan de Jesus, who also hangs out in here? Interesting. Let's find an NFT video this weekend. I was lucky enough to get our tickets on time to be eligible for one. You said it was second best day in AMC history. No, Frodo. I saw that. I was looking at Adam Aaron's best day in history, or I was looking at Adam Aaron's tweet about saying that Spider-Man sales were the second best day in AMC's history. I didn't go back and look up. I should have, but I didn't go back and look at what the number one day in history was. I don't know what it would have been. But isn't that incredible? Isn't that incredible? That was the second best single day sales in AMC stocks or AMC's history. Still kicking. I had to take a break from the roller coaster. Mickey's so fine. Oh, Mickey, you're so fine. You're so fine. You blow my mind, Mickey. Yeah, dude. Everybody needs to take a little break every once in a while, and I'm glad you're in here, man. Depends how many fake accounts you open, Clay. All of them. All of them. I hate apples. Actually, it depends on how many fake accounts you open, man. All of you guys can take me to 100K. I can't open 30,000 fake accounts by myself by the end of the month. There's no way, dude. That's more than 1,000 accounts a day. Google doesn't even allow that many. I think you can really, like, legitimately open up, like, 5 to 10 fake accounts a day on Google. There's no way I could do it alone. Look at Fresh AF Cindy. Thank you very much. Congrats, Clay. At least no end of life for you anymore. Mickey's so fine. You were going to end my life? Don't end my life, dude. I don't want it to be ended. Oh, Clay. Hey. Oh, Eric. How are you? I got a theory. If I'm a hedge fund and I cover, say, 500 of my oldest shorts every minute for an 8-hour period, and then I get new shares, wouldn't I be in the black soon? Yes, you would, as long as you were, and assuming you are currently at a loss, you know, on those shares that you are covering. Yes, if you're willing to book that loss, then you would. That theory is correct. Hello from Charlotte Clay. Oh, Russian man, I forget your name. Oh, what is this dude's name? What's this dude's name? It's not Giorgio. Is it Giorgio? I forget his name. Believe it or not, I do not get worried anymore when I see so much of a dip in red numbers. I actually buy as much as I can and let the nest grow, and it goes back up. Giorgio. It was Giorgio. Yes, man. Now that's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about, man. I got that Russian dude's name, and I didn't even have to try that hard. I did try pretty hard, though. Not gonna lie. Let's see. 35 votes, man. You guys are lame, dude. Question. Aaron said, if you're a Stubbs member that had checked a shareholder, you get a I hold AMC NFT. People think it's bullish, but the Stubbs shareholder thing is an honor system. So, like, yeah, true. It's bullish on liars, man. It's bullish on liars. That's all it is. Act like you don't know the exact fake account numbers per day. Yeah, I do, but you have to. They don't let you make that many, man. I have made several fake accounts in the past, but they do limit it, and it is somewhere between 5 and 10. Greetings from Warsaw, Poland. Sebastian, greetings from Ohio. Someone needs to take you to the post office. Yes, Danelle, I am going to the post office today. Boom, baby, boom. I love it. Somebody can take me to the post office if they want. Danelle, come take me to the... Forget it. Danelle, come take me to the post office. I'm not going anymore. So come take me to the post office. I don't want to go by myself. 42 votes. I like it. You guys better be nice. I got to go see what the results are. 70s. 80s. 80s with 36%. Did anybody even say 90s? Or hundreds? Ooh, somebody said hundreds. I like it. Guys, I'm going to give you one more minute on the poll. Let's go. Let's go hundreds. 80s. I do like 80s though, man. 80s indicates a nice growth. 14,000 over the next month. I would love 14,000, but I would love if everybody. Oh my gosh! You know what you guys need? Yeah. Yep. You guys know what you need to give me for Christmas. I'm gonna tell you right now what you need to give me for Christmas. Being legitimate. Family always asks, "What do you want for Christmas?" Nothing. Nothing. Telling you what I want for Christmas from all 88 of you right now. Okay. On Christmas Day. When you're spending time with your family, do this for me. All you got to do is say, hey, and we should see how many subscribers we get on Christmas Day if you guys are actually playing along. You should say, hey fam, no hat, take your phones out, subscribe to my bro. That's all I want, guys. That's all I want. All I want, literally all I want for Christmas is you. That's it. Easy enough. Let's do it! So it's bullish because, as we know, all Wall Street legally can't lie, and we are are very truthful people in nature. So this NFT should help with manipulation. Nice. Yes, I said 90s. Let's get it. AMC Trevor said 90s. Let's go 100, man. Let's go 100. We can make 100 if you guys do that for Christmas. I promise we can. Pitbull! A morning, fellow people of interest in stoctual gains and cryptographical moons. I love it, Pitbull. Thank you for speaking like that. I appreciate everyone in here. All right, ending the poll. 80s was the winner, but let's go hundreds. Let's do it. I'm in Indiana. I'm in Ohio. Well, listen, all you have to do is drive one state over. Danelle, leave now. Depends where in Indiana. But if you leave now, there is a chance that you could be here during the break. And you could take me to the post office. And then go back in time to probably watch the night videos. So, thank you, Danelle. Let's see it. 80s first, 100s second. I love you guys. 70s and then 90s. 90s, interesting. People were being much more conservative and much more thoughtful than realistically optimistic. But the 90s, I like it, guys. Hey, Grandma, pull that jitterbug out and subscribe to Clay Bro. Brett, yes, dude. If your grandma and grandpa didn't do the jitterbug, then I don't know what they were doing back in the day. Pull that jitterbug out and subscribe to Claybro for sure. Brett, I love it, dude. I would actually really appreciate all of that, guys. You guys are around. You got mom, dad, brother, sister, cousins, aunts, uncles, friends. Everybody's surrounding yourself with grandmas and grandpas at Christmas. You pull their phone out and you subscribe to the Claybro channel. Oh, man, this is going to be a good Christmas. It's going to be a good Christmas. Grandma, like to put the Social Security money into work. Yes, Brett, let's get it. Any thoughts on Axie Infinity? You know, I was actually looking at that this morning, but I don't know too much about it, so I don't have any thoughts on it, but it did look like a pretty interesting one. Looked like a pretty interesting coin this morning. Hey fam, no notifications, and it did not come up on my YouTube. I gotta thank you, YouTube, for helping get everyone in here. I will ask my cousin to subscribe to reach that 100,000 for you. Lady Jesus, I love it. Lady Jesus, thank you very much. So that's how it is, guys. That's how it is. People like Lay, right there. Really. I love you, Lay. Thank you very much. Actually, buy this dip. Do it. I want a wrench for Christmas. Sebastian, you get your cousins to subscribe. I might give you a wrench for Christmas. Jitterbug can't be confused by a one meeting. No, Jitterbug can't be confused by one meeting. No, it's a dance, man. Your grandparents were doing the Jitterbug before you were even born. You have Algorand coin. Warren Buffett, not anymore. I did. I sold my Algorand at 220. Thank goodness I got out at 220. But I am looking for an entry to get back in, man. WTF is a wrench. Like a scanner. Yep. It's just like a scanner. WTF is a wrench. He don't even know what a wrench is, man. The dude's been wrenched up for like the last 6 months. Don't even know what it is. Like, yeah, it's like a spanner. Lauren, we miss you. Are you here, Lauren? Please come back. But the Jitterbug was a song about a dance move. It's a phone. Nah, dude. Definitely a dance, man. My grandma and grandpa actually one time did the Jitterbug in the living room. It was nice, man. It was nice to see that they were having fun. Being Canadian, being candid, can you focus a bit more on your market and stock coin insight than pumping the channel? I don't mind your personal touch, but a more of the other would be my vote. Yeah, Dave, absolutely, man. I'm just trying to, kind of ease the mood a little bit, have some fun. It is a very red day, been a very red week, and I think it's still good to kind of, get that mix in there. But if you want to have any sort of specific question answered, but we jump back and forth in between having fun and talking about the stock prices. I love you more, Clay. Impossible, Lady Jesus. Impossible. Click. Can you check for a minute Shiba Inu? No, I actually can't check Shiba Inu because it's not on Webull, and I didn't get my desktop set up this weekend. So, hold please on Shiba Inus. No. It says, be canid, bark like a dog. Be canine. Be canine. Yeah, be canine. There you go, Denny. Or Dave, not Denny. I mixed Dave with Kenny. We got Denny. Let's see. Bastion B, probably more like me. They FOMO bought at every increasing all-time high in the market. Tanked. They dumped them down 50% in looping and 40% down in back. I hate apples. I got a question, man. A legitimate question, okay? So we can kind of get to the bottom of this, right? I see a lot of people out there, and your guys' insight might be a little bit better. I see a lot of people out there, when these coins are hitting all-time highs, and when they're running like that, it is a frenzy, okay? And everybody wants to buy because they honestly think the gains are going to continue forever. But then it's the exact opposite when the coin starts to fall. Everybody thinks it's going to fall forever, and they need to sell, they need to get out, it's never going to turn around, they're going to lose all their money, and so on. So, if anybody's got some insight into, the thought process that goes into that, thinking it's never going to turn around, let me know, because and you can see it in everything, man. You can see it in the prices, you can see it in the search volume, you can see it in the views, you can see it everywhere. When the market is down, people get so panicked that it's just like the end of the world. Anybody got any insight on that? Chris, man, thank you for the super chat. Maybe I need to go back to getting ignored by Matt. Didn't hurt as much. Nothing like your bro not seeing you. Oh, no, Chris. Ooh. Chris, no, man, I promise. I see you right now, dude. I see you right now, Chris. Trust me. I see you. You don't need Webull to check Shinobi. You just need Chrome. Yeah. Jandy Lucho. No, I know, man. What I'm saying is, if I start going around, and since I didn't get my new desktop hooked up, if I start going around and messing around on Chrome right now, I would say 6 times out of 10, it completely just shuts down Streamlabs, man, and lags me out. So that's why I don't want to go out and do a bunch of things. Last time, man, I was looking up a picture of some dude and got logged out of Streamlabs. So the computer really doesn't like it. Adam Aaron tweeted again about NFTs just now. AMC Trapper, what do you say, man? What do you say? Give us the info. We got new NFTs, or is he talking about how good the NFT sales were? Am I too late for the stream? Diamond Shogun, no, you're definitely not too late. Snap, I made it. What's up, Clay, bro? That one dude, how you doing, man? Hey, Glaybro, what is that, man? Hey, Glaybro, again, big drop at Shiba today, but it's climbing up now at the moment. Michael, yes, man, we dropped down to about, what, 3,200, I believe it was. 3,200. Back here more. Let's go 5 minutes. Probably going to be easier to see. We dropped down to about 3,200 down here, and are bouncing back right now. Now, we are at a level, unfortunately, 3,500 is now resistance level since we were below it, but it is really liking to trade around this 3,500 point per coin level. So hopefully we're able to bounce around in this area for a while, just sustain this level, because guys, at the end of the day, 3,500 is not a bad level. It's the all-time high that we hit back in May. We hit it and bounced off of it and came back a little bit lower in October before clearly breaking right through it and moving higher. But if 3,500, if this range in here really holds up, it's going to be very nice for Shiba Inu Coin to sustain itself and bounce off even higher into the future. So that's what I'm hopeful of. Let's see what we got. A little bit of an update. Farmy sitting at 22.66. AMC down 1.72% right now at 28.51. GameStop down 5%. It's 164.32. MMAT. Man, MMAT was down like 10+% this morning at $2.80. Sitting at 313 right now, down 1.70% on the day. CEI up 6% at $1.08. Fun down again 3% at 294. Tesla 977. Doge up a little bit, but down drastically over the last several months at 17 cents. And Prague sitting up 5.9% right now at $2.50 per share. Very nice. Just talking about the NFT, saying it's free for us and international investors. Very nice, AMC Trapper. Let's see. Yeah, the one they won, right? The one they won was supposed to be free for people. Question about Shiba. Why the supply is not going down or moving at all? That's a good question. Jandy or Johnny, sorry if I'm saying it wrong, man. Mr. Lucho. But there is a dramatic amount of coins. Like, it's okay to sit here and say, 546 trillion. But you don't really understand how much 546 trillion coins are until you put it in perspective. And then you also have to, so that's roughly like what, $16 billion at this point, somewhere in that area, $16 billion or so. Those gaming, oh my gosh, I'm telling you guys, don't spam, you're going to get deleted. But $16 billion is a lot of money. Now, in order for that supply to decrease, these coins basically need to go into that burn wallet that's out there that's got, I believe, 410 trillion coins in it. And the vast majority of deposits into that wallet are anywhere between 100,000 and maybe 2 million Shiba Inu coins. So what you're looking at in price range for that is, I believe, $4 to, or actually $3.50 right now at 3,500 points per coin. $3.50 all the way up to maybe $70. And if you're looking for total burns on the day, I mean, you might be looking at $1,000 being burnt every day when the overall value is 16 billion. So I don't even know what that would be. I don't even want to pull my calculator up. Somebody do like 16 billion divided by 1,000. Like, that's how many days it would take to make a dramatic or make a big difference in the overall supply of Shiba Inu coin. At the current burn rate. No, if you sign up on AMC Connect by 12/31, you will receive an NFT saying you own AMC. Ooh. Interesting, AMC Trapper. The question is, though, man, do you have to prove ownership of AMC, or you literally just sign up on AMC Connect and then you own it. Oh my gosh, Chris, another super chat. Chris, thank you very much. Putting more money on this one question than my AMC position. What's up with the NFT news with AMC and Investors Connect? Gosh, dude, Chris, thank you very much. That's kind of what we're going through right now, Chris. AMC trappers out there looking at it. I don't know where to put an NFT. Can I display it in a shadow box on my wall? You'd have to print it out, man. Or you could set your phone in the yeah, you could. So you set your phone in the shadow box, man, and then you just put it on always on display, keep it plugged in, and then you'll be good to go. That's the best way to do it, in my opinion. Instead of printing it out, you're gonna be better off just pulling the NFT up on your phone and then keeping it plugged in on the wall. Honor system. Interesting. Interesting. Oh, man. I want to know. Oh, gosh. I want to know if they've got more than 513 million. Oh, no, because you don't get it per share. You don't get it per share. You get it per shareholder. I want to know how many NFTs they have prepared for this opportunity here. Good. Dude, I literally just told you, and we discussed it, that all you gotta do is say you own it, and they don't check what's that my question and joke about Wall Street being honest was about. Yeah, I know, but I didn't know if you were talking about this new NFT that they got out there. I didn't know we were talking about the new one, because I didn't even know about the new one until they just said that of AMC ownership. I thought we were still talking about the Spider-Man one. This is interesting, man. This is interesting. I want to know how many NFTs they have prepared. Because I'm going to be honest, I don't think more than 1 million people get this NFT. Oh, I'm just a few steps ahead. Pays to wake up at 5 a.m. and end up not working. Chris, I definitely would have gone back to sleep, dude. If I woke up at 5 a.m. and not worked, I would have gone back to sleep. Prague performing very nicely right now. Up 9% on the day. $2.57 right now. Yes, it's still down overall over the last month or so. But $2.57, 9.32% up on the day. Very nice rebound in Prague. I'm telling you right now, devil's advocate, your options are probably looking pretty decent at this point. I'd be conservative on those, man. How's the pennant look on AMC? Bullish. Make it so fine. Looks bearish, man. Pennant looks bearish on AMC. We broke out to the downside, dude. We broke out to the downside. This was the pennant that we had. And we definitely broke out to the downside. And now we're down here at 28.50. Dude, if today turns red, I'm a little nervous about breaking this $25 level of support we got. If today turns red, I'm definitely going to be a little nervous about breaking that $25 level of support. But that's me. I don't know if you guys got a different level or not, but below the 26.50 area, I'm sitting at $20 per share before we get to the next level of support. Put this on there. Yeah, I'm sitting here before we get to that next level of support. God, I wonder how Natalie's doing, man. I wonder if Natalie's average is still up here. If I can move, she doesn't even know that we still got her line on the chart here. Man, Natalie, we miss you. Come back to us. All right, let's see. Remember the calls I got Friday? Clay raises eyebrows. A real talk, though. Price hasn't changed at all. Oh, come on. What? Oh, my gosh. How is this price not changing, man? You're up 10% after Friday. Yes, dude. I do remember those calls you got on Friday, man, because I've been thinking about them all morning long. What's up, Crypto Racketeer? Boom! Dabbing on him like always, Crypto Racketeer. Crystal, did you see Ask the Doctor Challenge? I tagged you in on Twitter. What are your thoughts? Crystal, let me try to remember what the challenge was. Were they burning 2 billion coins if they get to 50,000 subscribers and something? Remind me of the challenge, Crystal, because yes, I did see that, but now I forget it. They were burning a certain amount of coins, I believe, if they got 50,000 Twitter followers and something else and something on Instagram maybe 30,000 on Instagram or something. Now I forget what it looks. Now I forget what it was. I was offered a job last week that wants me to spend the next month and a half in New York City. If I take it, I can spend Christmas with you and Nickelback in your pirate ship. Brett! I don't live in New York City, man. I don't live in New York City. Should I move to New York City and then we could spend the Christmas together? Dude, Christmas in New York would be crazy. I think just New York in general is crazy. Not even just around Christmas time. I think all around. Hey, Brett, real talk though. You could spend Christmas with Lou or the Ape Father. You could spend Christmas with one of those two guys. That would work out. And I mean, Ape Father, you probably get a little bit bigger of a commute, but Lou, yeah, there you go. Hey, you have night owls than early birds. What kind of things could you find if you were up in between everyone else? If you get up in between everybody else. Interesting, man. Clay, you have night owls and then early birds. What kind of things could you find if you were to get up in between everybody else? Do you mean like on what side in between? Do you mean like after the night owls go to bed but before the early birds wake up? Or do you mean like after the early birds wake up but before the night owls come out? Which in between are we talking about here, Chris? Because scraps, man. All I can think is scraps. You're not going to get the mice at night, and you're also not going to get the worms during the day. Maybe you're going to find mice that have worms. Prague wrestler. Prague is running, man, up about 10% on the day. You can't sail there. I'll come to you. It's closer than Texas. Yeah, definitely closer than Texas, but yeah, I'd be concerned about spending the night with Lou. Ape Father would be fun. Be concerned about spending the night with Lou, though, I'm telling you. Christmas with Lou sounds like a bad Christmas movie starring a Vin Diesel that puts on an unhealthy amount of weight for his craft. Oh, God. Dude, nobody ever said, yeah, you guys always used to do those things, like who's going to play you in the AMC Squeeze movie. Nobody ever said a Vin Diesel that puts on way too much weight for his craft, or an unhealthy amount of weight for his craft to play Lou. That's a pretty good one, man. I like it. Negative 4 degrees Fahrenheit in northern Minnesota. Oh my gosh, dude. No, it's 50 degrees here in Ohio today, man. Brett, wouldn't see that in theaters, but would probably watch it once it's free on streaming. Devil's Advocate. I'd definitely watch that too, man. Litecoin is killing me, that one, dude. Every coin is killing everybody right now. It is setting up for excellent buying opportunities. You got to look at the positives, man. Christopher Rob. The heck, man? Did I just get a package or something? It sounded like somebody knocked on the door. SHIB got listed on Bybit for regular trading. Christopher Robinson, very nice, man. Let's see. Hey, Clit, love you and your content, but you gotta shave that neck beard, bro. Hey, what's up? I did, man. I shaved the neck beard yesterday when I cut my hair. Look, it's all trimmed up, dude. It's all trimmed up, man. Shaved it yesterday. I did not want my beard to be longer than the side of my head, so I just went 2 all the way around. But thank you very much for looking out. It'll look more attractive to females. We'll continue and we'll outline your jawline. Just man-to-man advice. No shade. No shade taken, man. But I have a solution. I have a solution here. Interesting. All right, let's see what we end up with. Christopher Robinson, man. Thank you very much for becoming a little bro. Absolutely appreciate it. You guys know we need to see 155. Welcome Christopher Robinsons into the chat right now. Yes, guys. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, he renewed and became a little bro. I like it. Either way, thank you very much, man. Showed up. When they reach 50,000 followers on Instagram, 50,000 on Twitter, they'll burn 2 billion Shiba. I think it's a great way to get followers. It's a challenge for the Shiba army. Genius, in my opinion. Dude. How much is 2 billion Shiba? Maybe I should. Oh, it's a 44. It's 100 million, 400. Dude, that is genius. I'll tell you right now. I don't know what the conversion rate would be. I'll send you guys 100 million Shiba if you give me to 100,000 followers by Christmas Day. Make me happy on Christmas morning, and I'll give you guys 100 million Shiba. Let's see here. Welcome, Mr. Robinson. Yes, welcome, dude. Tell your boy, Pooh, I said what's up. SD says, welcome. Yes, 100 grand. Nah, dude, I ain't doing another one with 100 grand, that's for sure. But I would do 100 million Shiba. Chris. Oh, my gosh, Chris got a super chat. Chris says, LMAO. All right, good one. Night owls go to bed. I come out to get their scraps or collect all the worms before the early bird. It depends on how you see it. Facts, man. Facts. So I guess it depends on what you're into. You're exactly right, man. If you're coming out in between, you either get the worm scraps or some of the mice that are coming out first, or you get the mice scraps or the worms before the other guys. Very interesting. Gotta have that positive out. It's like that glass half full, glass half empty kind of deal, man. Glass half full, glass half empty. So I say half full, dude. You get it early. You get it early. You get it everything before they get it. Oh, wow. We got 62% saying shave the neck beard. Okay. Very interesting, guys. I should have asked if you're a boy or girl in this one because we were having girls vote. But 62% saying shave the neck beard. All right. I like it. Maybe we shave the neck beard then. I know we had this conversation the other day when Stephanie was in here. She said shave the neck beard for sure because I look homeless. But I thought we were going squeeze squatch. That we're going squeeze squatch on it? Maybe no. What is your low and high price for Shiba? Crypto Trinity. Do you mean what is like the lowest that I've bought it at? What do you like the lowest I think it'll go to? Because look, man, I don't know how far crypto is going to pull back overall. So I'll say this: it could still drastically decrease in price if we expect the next several months to people to be worried about. Whatever that new variant is, Omicron, and if they're worried about inflation and so on. So knowing that, if they continue to be scared, we can continue to fall through these levels of support. We're very steady here at 3,500 points per coin. It's going to take a minute to drop below that. Below that, though, is 27. And I believe we have just as much, if not more, support at 27 than we do 35. But then you're starting to talk getting back down into the teens, man. And if it does that, I think it's going to appear so cheap that it's going to be nearly impossible to drive down so much further that people just buy it, man. That it's just people have to buy it because it looks so cheap. So I think it's going to be very difficult to drop much below or add another zero, I guess I should say. I should put it that way. Do a handlebar mustache. You rock the crypto look for content creators. That's what I'm talking about. Handlebar mustache, man. I could make that happen. It was growing a little bit. It was a little longer. I don't know. I'd say last month maybe. It was a little longer. I definitely could get a nice mustache going on, man. My neck beard is long and strong. Going to braid it into my chest hair until more ass. Frodo, now that's what I'm talking about, man. Market is just pulling back the rope on the slingshot to catapult. Christopher, excellent way to look at it, man. I might use that in one of my videos. Excellent way to look at it. Because, yeah, dude, we are pulling back right now. But I don't think it's going to pull back forever. I'm paraphrasing you, but you said something like, this is kind of the June run-ups turn to prove themselves to themselves that they are here to stay like you January guys. Yeah, Chris. So, maybe, okay? And I don't remember exactly what I said either. I'm Greek, not Russian, bro. Oh, yeah, I forgot. It did look Russian, but I forgot you were Greek, Giorgio. Sorry about that. Yeah, dude. So when we bought back in January and February, a lot of people bought in that $12 to $14 range, and we saw prices go all the way down and trade between $5 and $8 for several. Dude, it was several months actually, going back between $5 and $8, $5 and $8, and then $10 seemed very nice. And then it started trading in that $12 range towards May. So, you know, once we did get in, and if you're getting in around that $12 point, and then it pulls back to $5 and stuff, you know, that is a very similar, I would say, percentage loss as if you were to get in at $60 and fall back down. I mean, 12 to 4 would be the equivalent of 60 to 20. So, you know, knowing that, this is exactly what a lot of people were facing back in January, back in February, March, and April. until we got that nice run up in May that ended up leading to the. It's difficult to call that a short squeeze, but shorts were covered during that. We just don't know. We know the net amount of shorts that were covered. We don't know how many shorts were actually covered at that time. So yes, dude, it is a similar situation right now to what we're seeing. And I think that's what I was referencing, but I'm not exactly sure. My mustache is about 10 inches from one end to the other. Whoo! Dude, how's your face even that big, man? How's your face even that big? Chris, that's crazy, man. Do you have any investment in the metaverse tokens? Jake, not as of right now. I have Shiba Zcash and Ravencoin at the moment. But I am starting a 2022 portfolio. And it is going to be full of coins. And I'm talking a lot of coins, okay? And we're going to be testing its progress probably weekly or monthly. We'll be opening it up and taking a look at it and see what it's doing. And then I'm opening a Christmas portfolio, all right? The one for me, do not open until Xmas. That is exactly what I'm going to be doing, and I'm making a portfolio for myself. I have no idea what I'm going to put in it, and I'm not even opening it till Christmas. I'm not going to be able to check it. It's going to be a nice Christmas present for myself in 2022. You guys should do it too. It should be fun. But yeah, we are going to be, there will be metaverse coins in that portfolio, and then we'll be able to talk about them every week. Yay, Ethereum hitting 4,200, praying this is the dip bottom. Bears need to hibernate for a few months. Caliber X creates. Bears do need to go hibernate forever. Hey, Clint, are you starting to work on making the 2022 my best year ever? Atomic Elf, yes. We will be making 2022 the best year ever. So far, the Omicron virus only has mild symptoms. I'm a nurse, and we haven't cracked down on isolation and visitors like we did when COVID was first introduced. Hopefully, the flood on that winds down. Crystal, I hope it does too. I hope it does too. And I've seen a lot of stuff saying, and I don't want to start a long discussion on this because I know people are very passionate about both sides and so on. And we're not here to argue with each other and everything else. We're here to help each other. But I hope that, you know, good, bad, ugly, no matter what it is, that, like you said there, Crystal, the FUD dies down and people become less scared. When this fear that they have out there is really, I mean, it's hitting all aspects of life, man. People afraid to go out. People afraid to invest in stocks. People afraid to do so many things that, you know, we do really need to see it settle down a little bit before we see the stock market go up. But, man, I'm looking over here at Prague right now, and Prague is looking delicious, man. 13% on the day, $2.63. My goodness, Prague having a nice rebound today. Look at that, man. Farming sitting at 22.73, AMC 28.58, GameStop 164, MMAT 315, CEI up 6%, $1.08, Fun down 4%, Tesla down 2.6, Doge 17.35, Prague 265, and I gotta take. Can I remove grab? Like, how do I get this off here? Yeah, I don't even know what grab is, man. Get off my watch list. Claybro, what do you think? Is it possible to close the day in 0.00004 if Bitcoin will go sideways? Yeah, Crypto Trinity. I do, man. You know, Shiba doesn't need to follow Bitcoin or Ethereum or any of these bigger cryptocurrencies, you know, exactly. But I do think that it's possible to close at 0.00004. I mean, that's not that much higher than we're at right now. 3,600 points per coin. Nice 10% run would get it. But the thing is, I don't know if it would make that run without any news. You know what I mean? Like, unless investors all of a sudden started to view it as cheap for no reason, I don't know if we're going to get that run without any news. So, Claybro, I'm very interested in these AMC GameStop stock prices. Wowzers, Wilbur, Doge. Yes, man. It is a good buying opportunity right now to either lower your average or get some shares that are cheap. So I did some research and saw every time crypto took a hit this year, AMC ran up. May 23rd, crypto sold off. Following week, AMC ran to 72. History repeated itself. Lex, so here's the mentality behind that and why it could or could not do it again. Okay, it's actually a good observation on your part. So Money goes where money grows. And I know that sounds dumb to say, but it's true. So if one asset class is pulling back, whether you're talking about bonds, stocks, real estate, crypto, name your asset class, commodities, if an asset class is pulling back like crypto is, people will pull their money out of crypto and they will put it into a different asset class. So you are absolutely right. If crypto is pulling back, some people may say, all right, whatever, I'll sell my Ethereum right now. I'll go jump into AMC. AMC's running. Or AMC seems like a risky investment that I like the risk-reward ratio on it. I'll go jump in that. They will pull their money out of something that is falling and put it into something that is rising or is set to rise. Now, it could be different right now. And people may not be willing to put their money in stocks, even though stocks are cheap, because of all of the nonsense that's going on out there with all the fear. The things we talked about, man, the Omicron or Omicron, however you say it, and then inflation is really a big deal, okay, with the bond repurchase program and potential raising of interest rates to battle this inflation. Those two reasons may also cause investors to pull their money out of stocks as well and go into something like bonds that produce almost no return but are considered safer. And you could hedge against inflation that way. And gold would be a hedge against inflation as well. So we may see a short-term transition where investors are pulling out of riskier assets and going into safer assets like precious metals and bonds. That would be the difference that I see between the situation we're in right now and the situation we would have had back in May/June if crypto was pulling back and people were, just moving from one riskier asset to another. Chris, man, thank you very much for the super chat. Dude, Chris, I love you, man. Absolutely appreciate you today. By the way, saw a Spider-Man 2 weeks until Worlds Collide post when instantly saw the robot and caveman from SpongeBob when Worlds Collide episode burned in my head. I don't know if I have ever seen the SpongeBob episode, with a caveman and a robot. I don't know if I've ever seen that one. I don't think I have, man. I don't think I've ever seen that episode. Must be like some new school type of thing. Shoot, dude, I was watching SpongeBob and you were still in diapers. Come on now. You got Shiba at 0.00045. Jason, very nice. Your average is better than mine, man. We like to stack. Yes, we do. When crypto starts pulling back, I take 30% out of my positions and dollar cost average in on the way down and increase my positions with my original positions, no extra cost. Christopher, excellent strategy, man. Excellent strategy. And you know what? It may not always work out, right? Because crypto is so volatile, dude. It can jump all the way back up the next day. But that's an excellent strategy, dude, to be able to take and leave your core position in there, but be able to dollar cost average on the way down. Because, some people think you need an unlimited amount of funds, but as long as you're willing to take some out, put it in cash, and then dollar cost back in, that's an excellent idea, Chris. I like that, man. 5 zeros. Chris, I love that average, man. Very nice. The episode has Patchy the Pirate. Yeah, Doge Gaming. I definitely haven't seen that, man. There's a song and everything, Clay. Dude, I've never seen the one with robots and cavemen. Never seen that. So, the precious metals are going to skyrocket. Daniel Hall. What's up, Daniel? How you doing? Guys, Daniel was also a winner on sharing the video. So, congratulations, Daniel. Let's see. Not necessarily, but it is probable, okay? If everything continues to play out the way that it's playing out right now, we could see an increase in the price of precious metals, gold, silver, platinum, palladium, and things like that. So, because they're used as a hedge against inflation, they're viewed as a safer asset, and so on. I don't want to say if the world turns crazy, but if we do go into one of these situations, man, where we start to face another bear market because of everything going on then yes, we could experience a situation where precious metals go up, stocks trend down for a while, crypto trends down for a while, and eventually they will reach a bottom. But that's kind of like worst case scenario in my opinion. If it doesn't work out, I take extra funds and put into new position. Very nice, Christopher. Christopher's got a good plan, man. What's up, Clay? BB Wabs, how you doing? Hello, thank you so much. Definitely, Daniel. I still can't believe I lose when I was on my computer. Devil's advocate. Dude, I'm telling you right now, I can't believe you lost either. But who won that one? Spank Nanners won that one, right? Was it Spank Nanners? Dude, he was spamming like crazy too, though. There was a lot of spam that day. Dude, my Thanksgiving leftovers didn't survive past Black Friday. My Thanksgiving leftovers. I think might have lasted until Tuesday. I forget now, but I was eating them. I think it might have been Tuesday. Is anyone still eating things? No, Mr. Enormous, I think it was Tuesday, man. Can't go in blind. Gotta have a plan. Yes, you do, Christopher. I have a lot of my money in raw jade. Like physical raw jade? Sounds pretty sweet, dude. If Clay shaves his neck beard, he will easily have the best beard of all YouTubers. No cap. Gonna pull these OnlyFans girls AMC investors on Twitter. Oh, man. I can't do it then, man. I can't do it. Hey, what's up? I can't do it. I gotta take one for the team, man. You know, it has to happen. You guys are incredible, man. I don't know how you come up with this stuff. I don't know how you come up with this stuff. Almost, hey, what's up? You almost brought tears to my eyes. Like, I can see they're a little blurry right now, but nothing actually came out. So thank you. I appreciate that, man. Oh my gosh. Oh, what about the Arabs and the Afghans? Well, I don't know, man. They might have better beards. That's a fact. That's a fact. No joke on that one. But what's their YouTube channel? We got to go look. Who's Jade? This dude wild out here, gonna get someone pregnant with this raw action. Who is Jade? Jason! Explain yourself, man. Explain yourself. He's got all his money tied up into it too, man. It's crazy. He does have a neck beat. Respect, bro. Love the grind. Keep up the great work. Thank you very much. Hey, what's up? No, dude, that was hilarious. I like it. Devil's Advocate. It's hard as heck to win on my phone. I'm telling you, man. It's hard for me to pick a winner on my computer. You guys are so fast. Neck beard. Is this a thing? Oh, yeah, dude. This is definitely a thing, man. Check it out. It's my neck beard, man. It's my neck beard. Some people like it. Some people don't like it. I don't know why they don't like it, but some people do. It is so soon. It is too soon to panic. Yes. Will take some time to make a good pump. Lewis, facts, man. It is pretty soon to panic. Trey's stash, the guy's $70 star. Clay would co-star with Trey in an adult film. Clay and Trey, excellent adventures. Oh my goodness. Clay, be honest with us, bro. You insecure with your Adam's apple? No, I never even really thought about my Adam's apple, man. It's right here on the line, though, too. You know what I mean? It's right here. Not really worried about it. I didn't even know shaving a neck beard was a thing, man. I just thought you just let it go, you know? I guess I never really looked at anybody else and said, I'm literally the only guy in this room right now that has not shaved my neck. Interesting. No. I didn't see a little Adam's apple right here. Nothing wrong with that. Right there. Right on the line. Every job I've ever had, I've referenced the Flying Dutchman, you're good, you're good, you're good episode while directing someone driving with a trailer stuck on SpongeBob now. Dude, I know the Flying Dutchman is that green ghost looking guy, but I don't know the you're good, you're good, you're good episode. You guys know way too much SpongeBob, man. Way too much. You know who has a neck beard? Stephen Amell, a.k.a. Oliver Queen, a.k.a. Green Arrow. Okay, Green Arrow. I've actually never watched an episode of a Green Arrow. Is it a good neckbeard? Let me know. Lady Jesus, neckbeard doesn't make you look homeless. You're so fresh to be homeless. I like Lay. I like the way Lay talks. I like the way Lay talks. Seriously. Lay, thank you for being in here. She's going to get her cousins to subscribe on Christmas Day. Complimenting my neckbeard. Neckbeard looking so fresh. Oh my gosh. Yeah, take it note from Lay, guys. Lou said we're going to go a Bigfoot hunting. I'm going to send him to Ohio, uncover Bigfoot Claybro shaves every hour and a half. It's a fact, man. That's why we got to take a break so often in these live streams. We can't live stream all day. We got to take a break to shave. It's not actually lunch. My ex-girlfriend was real insecure with her Adam's apple, so I figured I'd ask. Hey, devil's advocate. Makes sense, man. Makes sense for sure. He's no Ian Summer holder, but he's still at 10. Devil's advocate, nice. You're missing out, JB. I'm missing out on something. I really think that a neck beard should stay. And then when Clay becomes a millionaire from all his investments, we can recognize him in the new Boats and Hose video. Daniel, nice. Let's keep it. Shave the entire face, but leave the neck beard. I mean, I could do that. Clay, don't ever say I reference a new school SpongeBob episode since you don't know that the Flying Dutchman... No, man, I know the Flying Dutchman, but I don't know that episode. I use straight blade to shave my neck. Clowny, it sounds dangerous. I think you're gorgeous inside and out. Don't ever change. Sarah Distic Croy, thank you very much. Appreciate you. Man, when the market's red, my face is red in here. You guys are amazing. 142 Shiba again. Minko Van Krevetak. Later this week, Shiba to 42 again. I didn't get it, Clay. Why the weird reaction to my girl's Adam's apple comment? Am I missing something? Nope. Nope, devil's advocate. Nope, you're not missing anything, man. In fact, I might be missing something. Stop with the confirmation bias on the Adam's apple. Yes, stop with that one. Leedle, leedle, deedle. Leedle, leedle, lee. Leedle, leedle, lee. That was right. Clay, any thoughts on Fitbit idea? I tagged you in on Twitter. Yeah, Cody. So, that, I don't understand how, I think it's a good idea, but I don't understand how that works. Because I think you said something about Apple Watch or somebody, you know, giving rewards for getting a certain amount of steps per day or something like that. But I don't know where those rewards come from. Are there advertisers within these apps that sponsor you for keeping the app open? Or, you know, put their ads on there while your app is open? And then they're able to pay out per 1,000 steps or whatever? Because they assume you have the app open for a certain period of time? Because if that's the case, dude, then yeah. You know what I mean? Like, if that's the case, yeah. I definitely think that, you know, people would be willing to burn a portion of that ad revenue for getting these steps. You just got to get people on board with it. I don't know how it works to begin with, though. A danger is my middle name. My brother stopped using the straight blade after he wiped his face and blood underneath. Dot. Yeah, I would too, Clowny. I would too. That little lee comment. That was Patrick. You guys with your SpongeBob, man. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah. Also have library silver coins, which I got is change from a gas station. Funny, right? Jason, that's actually pretty sweet, man. Yes, it's from AdSpace. Oh yeah, Cody, dude. If that's the case, man, because I don't know how that works. I definitely think that you could get a lot of people on board with that, and then not only would they use that on their phone to burn it, the advertising companies, people would still be making money because you'd have more people using the app, and you just burn a portion of the ad revenue. You don't have to burn 100% of it, man, but somebody's still got to make money somehow. But I definitely think more people would do it and burn coins that way. Devil's Advocate, she was saying, I'm a lady. Oops, I'm not. I feel like dancing. I hope you've seen Anger Management. I have seen Anger Management, but I do not know how you guys always remember all these little quotes from all these movies. Make it so fun. Reminder, if you have a stop loss on AMC, you may want to remove it. Hedges will cover to drop the price, triggering your stop loss. Then buy up all the stop loss shares. Make it so fun. Yeah, if they're out there going stop loss hunting, they could go out there and short some stock to eat up all those stop losses. That is a possibility. Because once those stop losses are triggered, you know, we're going to have a nice little sell-off, and they're going to be able to go out and buy those shares even cheaper. Dead over these comments. AMC Trapper, I'm dead over everything every single day. Street just leaves a great shave. Clowny. Dangerous shave, though, man. Dangerous shave. That's so close, dude. That's so close. I prefer stubble. There's no way I could. I would honestly. I would look like some of these other kids that are like 13 years old on YouTube. Oh, TikTok. I would look like all of the TikTok YouTubers the TikTokers who talk about crypto and stocks, man. I swear some of those guys don't even shave yet. Woke up yesterday with what I think is inflammation in between my neck and shoulder and can't move my darn head without excruciating pain. Crypto Rocketeer, then how in the world are you going to dab on them, man? Massive sale, baby. Let's get it. Easy does it. Let's get it, man. Yeah. Let's get it, actually. Let's get it. I do want to get it. I do want to get it. Should I start buying coins for the 2022 portfolio right now? I'm actually thinking of some ideas about 2022 that could be pretty cool, but I don't know if I'm going to do it yet, so I'm not going to tell you guys. But I got some ideas, man. I got some ideas involving NFTs, involving some sick rewards, but I'm not exactly sure if I'm going to go through with it yet. I'll do a little focus group on it, discuss the idea, family and friends, see what they think, and then maybe I'll pitch it here after I do that and see how it goes. I got some big ideas, but I don't know if I'm going to go through with it yet. Why not get them on discount? AMC Trapper, that's what I'm talking about, man. I just don't know if I should start adding like one. And I don't know how many. Let's do a poll on that one. That's a legit question for you guys. So if you guys do not know by now, let me just explain this and then we'll get the poll ready. But if you guys do not know by now, I want to do a crypto portfolio in 2022 with all of 2022, right? I'm going to do two different portfolios. One, I'm going to buy specifically for me to open on Christmas next year. We're not even going to look at that. It's just going to be a Christmas present. But the other one, I'm going to buy a certain amount of coins. We'll figure out here maybe in a minute what the coin range you're talking about is. And we'll just do an update. Small coins. Okay, nothing like Bitcoin, Ethereum, none of those bigger coins are going to go into this portfolio. But I want to, I want to take some chances on some of these smaller coins out there that could really pop in 2022. And I'm talking like 10,000x and so on, like Shiba does. Metaverse is going to be a good space to get into. But let's see how many coins you guys think I should have in this portfolio. Oh, and then Davis Dankley, I can't believe you don't have the Hex USD ticker going by now. Every day you don't show Hex and Richard Hart, I lose more and more respect. Davis, no, please. Davis, don't lose any respect for me, please, man. Hex is amazing. What is Hex at right now? How far did Hex fall today? Let's see if I can load that up. We're going to call Davis out on this one. Is Hex down right now? Oh, don't do it, Chrome. No, don't pin that. Let's see this. Say at least one coin. Devil's Advocate. That is a good answer, man. That is a good answer. Prague's up oh my gosh, Prague's up 14%. Alright, let's see. Coin market cap. Hex is at 14 cents right now, guys. Not too bad. Hex was at 16 cents the other day. Seems to be holding on to it. Seems to be holding on to its gains. Only down 1.65% at the moment. Let's see. How bad has it fallen? Let's go 1 year graph. Yeah, not terrible, man. Sitting at 14 cents right now. All-time high of about 48 cents, 49 cents. Very nice. Yeah, man. Hex had some good runs. Let's see. Then we got to go back out to YouTube. We want a poll. Okay. Give you guys 4 options. I think that's all I can give you, actually. Alright, boom, there you go. Davis! FYI, Hex has dropped like 8 times, more than 60%. Oh, darn it. Hold on. Davis. It's got to scroll up. I can't see it. YouTube is way late on the chat here. And your comment is currently hidden behind the vote. Hey, stranger. Anders! How you feeling, Anders, man? You feeling okay? Clay, I can't decide. You're a bro or not a bro. For avoiding telling me my ex-girlfriend definitely had an eggplant. Luckily, I was joking. Dude, your ex-girlfriend was a vegetarian as well? Oh my gosh, now I understand the just intense bond between wrestler and devil's advocate out there. Now I understand. Okay, now it all makes sense. I'm finally glad it's starting to make sense. I was actually beginning to wonder for a while there. Prague shredding these hedgies cheeks with that upward thrust. Yes, dude, Prague is doing very nice right now. 14.4% on the day. Prague sitting at 270. Guys, Prague was at $2.13 earlier this morning. Now it's already at $2.70. Destroying it if you guys are in Prague as of this morning. Farming sitting at 22.67, just trading sideways on the day. AMC down 1.70%, 28.50 still. Just trading sideways. GameStop sitting sideways at 166. MMAT sideways 315. CEI 109. Fun trading sideways too, down 3% on the day. Tesla at 9.99, bouncing back from the lows we had a minute ago. And Prague really just destroying it today, man. Prague is doing good. Prague is bouncing back very nicely. Let's see here. FYI, thank you, Davis. Now I got it. Your chat's back. FYI, Hex has dropped like 8 times, more than 6% every time it turns around and makes all-time highs. That Clay is the opposite of a rug pull. Yes, it is, Davis. Yes, it is. Guys, yeah, we should be adding some. I want to add Pulse Chain. I don't know if I'll add Hex to the 2022 portfolio, but I want to add Pulse Chain. I want to add that one for sure. Sudi, I'm down. Call of Duty? We play Call of Duty here? What do we got going on? She was a vegetarian. She enjoys beef. Yeah, there you go, man. She's not a vegetarian. She enjoys the beef, but she also liked eggplants as well, I guess. I don't know. Something along those lines. I'm not a chef, man. Just hopped pit for a sec. Had a Star Wars soap ad. Now that sounds like something I'm interested in. Before I go, have you heard of the Shiba Cafe? Jason, the Shiba Coffee Company or the Shiba Cafe? I have not heard about the Shiba Cafe. Fantastic. Just been avoiding watching the live. What? Anders, why would you avoid watching my live? Purposefully, man. Pringleton, not sure I legitimately copied it and pasted it, so I assume that others might be doing that too. It was unusual Whale's tweet. Do I guess they just mistyped it and everyone's copying them? Dang it, I don't even know what they said. Devil's Advocate. So, what is everyone saying? If pay is fee, everyone's copying the same source? I can't decide if you're... Man, I don't even know what this is now. If pay is fee, I haven't even seen that. Camber Energy, a good play. Well, dude, hey, Camber Energy could be a decent play now that it's sitting in at $1. Wouldn't be bad. I've not looked at RFox. Tim, what is RFox a coin, man? Can you give me some prediction for the Alien World coin? Gitesh. Fortunately, I cannot because I have no idea what it's trading at right now. She was making me nervous. Hopefully, it continues the uptrend. It started this morning. Brett, I hope so as well, man. I wouldn't put all the focus on Shiba making you nervous, though. Don't direct that attention towards Shiba. Overall, crypto is down right now. And yes, I understand that Shiba is pulling back. But it's not Shiba's fault that it's pulling back. It's the overall crypto market that's pulling back, and Shiba's just following it. Buy more AMC. Escape the rat race 2.0. Buy more AMC, and you can't escape the rat race. I love it, dude. Davis! What does Davis say? Not you. AMC is making bombing. I'm still diamond handing, but what the heck? Nice! It's not me. It's not me. It's you. Yeah, it's not you. It's me. Okay, Anders. I get it. I get it, man. It's not you, it's me type deal. Right. Avoiding the lives because you don't want to hang out in here, but it's not you, it's me. I know. I promise on this stream to add Pulse Chain and keep it the entire year. I will double my Pulse Chain gift to the portfolio to 100,000. Well, here's the deal. I will hold it all year, but I don't know if by all year I mean until like New Year's Eve, or if it's going to be some sort of a Christmas Day reveal. So I don't know exactly, what day next year would be. But yeah, dude, like, even if we were sitting on, here's the deal though. If like one of these coins just goes up 50 million%, we may cut that one and take our gains on it. But yeah, dude, realistically, it's going to be all year long, and we're just going to be watching the progress on it. I mean, it's basically going to be like a watch portfolio instead of one that we're going to cash out in 2022. But I don't know if it will be cashed out in December, okay? Because I don't know if it's just going to be a Christmas Day type deal where we open that portfolio, if we hold it. But yes, the intention is to hold everything until the end of 2022 to see how they all perform over that time period. But once again, thank you very much for the Super Chat, Davis. Absolutely appreciate it, man. All of the coins, and that's why I want your guys' suggestions. So tag me in Twitter suggestions and things like that. Send me DMs on Twitter, whatever you guys want to do. Because I think now is this time to start building this wallet and getting this portfolio together of all these tiny little coins that are just coming out so that you can see how they perform over 2022 and if any of them do as well as Shiba did. Here, Clay, just in, Citadel updated its liquidity terms for all investors, limiting quarterly withdrawals to 6.25%, and meaning it would take 4 years, where did it go, to fully pull out unless a pay-as fee. Interesting. Unless you pay a fee, right? Yeah, that makes sense, though, too, because a lot of the times when you have these large wealth management funds, you're not, they have like penalties for not early retirement, but there's a fee or an early penalty for early withdrawal. I don't like that. Basically like staking your coin where you can't get it out, or a CD, certificate of deposit. When you go in there and deposit your money, you get a fee if you take it out early. But it makes sense. Bye, Simon. Simon is leaving. Where's Simon going? Simon! I feel like a regular non-member here. See y'all. Come on, Simon. Don't leave. Please stay with us. Sin City, a crypto polish, all under $1. NFT and NFT. What? NFT metagaming. Days on the grind. Yeah, let's get it, man. Those sound like all ones that I could add. Davis, this is not Matt's stream. Don't turn it into Matt's. You can call me. Don't call me Matt, but you can call me Clay. It is a metaverse coin. They have some pretty cool stuff in the works. Very nice, Tim. I'll have to check it out. What did you make of the shareholder NFT? Pringleton. So I have to look at it a little bit more, but I don't think that it's. The thing is, man, it's just like honor system, I guess is the way Devil's Advocate put it. It's an honor system type deal, man. So it's still not a shareholder verification. All you have to do is go claim your NFT if you want an NFT. Like, it's just that simple. So, I don't know if it's really gonna do anything at all. I mean, I guess it's just a free NFT for anybody that wants an NFT. Okay, we are back. Oh, man, I thought we lagged out for a minute there. Let's see here. Okay, you can't touch the Pulse chain for at least until Christmas Day. Deal. Yeah, I mean, that's fine. I'll look at it, but I won't sell it until Christmas of 2022. I mean, we're going to look at it. We're going to look at it all year long, but I'm not going to sell those coins until the end of 2022. Even if we have great days, man, and I'm like, dude, we're sitting on like $500,000 right now. This is incredible. And then the next week, oh, dude, we were sitting on $500,000 last week. Now we're sitting on 70 grand. Like, what's going on here? That's a little lame, isn't it? Because then the week after that, dude, we could be sitting on 7 million. So Let's do it, man. It's 2022. That's what it is. Could you be proud to pop my first recess light today? Oh my gosh. Nick F. I am proud, man. I am proud. All you gotta do now, is flip all those things over, man. Those stupid little, what are they? The little metal pins, man. Just take all the little springs. Just take all those off and flip them over. You just give Adam Aaron a little pinky sweat and you're good to go, baby. Adam, give me an NFT. Promise, man. I promise. We buds? We're buds, man. And then we're tight, dude. We're tight. Presumably, you are restricted to a percentage. You can never completely withdraw. Even if only a $1, you can still take out 6% out. Seems strange, no? Yeah, Pringleton. If it's 6.5% of your overall investment, then yeah, you would never be able to take anything out without a fee, man. That's how percentages work. It just, you can take out smaller and smaller amounts. And if it's a percentage, yeah, you'd never get out of there. I'm guessing there's a cap to it, just not percentage. Only if it's over XXX. Otherwise, you can take out all. Just my guess. Yeah, if it was a percentage, that would be, you'd never get it all out without paying a fee. Which, dude, they may set it up like that. They may set it up like that. And I don't know if they want to take your fee forever. Hello, any good metaverse coins going like 10x? Ahmed Basil. Probably all metaverse coins are going to 10x over the future, man. Metaverse is in its infant stages, dude. I think you're going to be able to get in on a lot of coins. I think metaverse is going to end up being like NFTs. One of these days, it's just really going to spike in popularity, and we're going to see a nice run up in all things metaverse. All right, 72 votes. Let's see what you guys voted, because I have not even seen the votes. 1 to 25 is the winner on that. Really? 1 to 25. Okay. And then 75 to 100. See, I was thinking closer to 75 to 100 coins with a lower amount in each of those coins. You guys are saying 1 to 25 coins. And by 1 to 25, I'm thinking like 25 coins on that one. Interesting. Okay, so we're going to end that poll, and we're going to do one more before the end of the day, and then we're going to, well, not the end of the day, but the end of the stream. Okay, 2022 portfolio. What do we got here? All right, you guys got just two options there. What do you think about that one? Interesting. I would have gone with 100, but we'll have to see. 25 might be the sweet spot, or I guess 50 could be a sweet spot too. Very interesting, guys. I would agree, Nick F. That's why I find the percentage being reported a bit strange. Yes, Pringle to me too. Click. I will DM you on Twitter when I get the airdrop, and we'll be sending 100,000 pulse coins for the 22 portfolio. Still try to collect the 10K hex. I will, dude. I will. I'm gonna try and see. I'm gonna try and prove this Richard guy a scammer. But also, Davis, you're gonna have to help me out with like getting a pulse coin wallet and stuff like that, man. Because I don't know how to hold those coins. So you're going to have to help me out with that as well. But definitely, dude, they will be added to the 2022 portfolio, man. We'll make it happen. Let's see. Does crypto market usually drop like this end of November to December because it usually recover mid-December to New Year? Or will it continue to stay like this, a downtrend for many coins, until next year or post-New Year's? Lide Jesus. So there's not necessarily a specific time frame on how long it can drop. A lot of people call crypto winters a thing because towards the end of December in 2017, we saw a dramatic decline in the price of Bitcoin and a lot of other coins. Now, that was at the end of December after they had gone on a ridiculous rally to touch all-time highs, and then people kind of got afraid of how high the coin prices were. And they sold off for a while and eventually came back down to like $4,000 per coin. So Knowing that, it's so hard to tell when it will end, especially because we know the crypto is pulling back in general because of everything affecting the market these days between COVID and all the new variants and the inflation, the fight against inflation that they got out there, and the potential raising of interest rates. There's a lot going on that needs to kind of settle down a little bit before we see investors getting confident once again in crypto. AMC Trapper, I'd be happy with that. Not because of a free dividend type NFT, but because Adam Aaron is trying to walk before running. So to speak with NFTs, I'm glad he's taking the time to learn them. Yeah, dude, I need to learn more about NFTs too. I need to get on Adam Aaron's level. I have to put this disclaimer. Please only invest money that you can afford to lose, and do not take any advice we give as financial advice. Tim, definitely, man. Definitely. Guys, never invest anything. Oh my God, Prague is 18% on the day. That's a win, man. Prague is up 18% on the day. Prague bouncing back beautifully today. Devil's advocate, man. I know your calls got to be killing it this morning. 18% increase right now. Your calls have to be killing it, dude. Let's see. I just voted 100 coins, but I don't know what it was for. Rocket! Thank you very much for voting, man. So 2022 portfolio, man. We're going to be putting together a portfolio of random small cryptocurrencies that we're going to be tracking maybe weekly, monthly, or something. Well, I mean, or we could look at it daily, but more in-depth videos and stuff throughout the week. Throughout the week. But no big name crypto coins. We're gonna try and get some. We're gonna try and get at least one of these winners, like Shiba Inu Coin was, or like SafeMoon would have been during the 2022 year. So we're talking names that are just now getting started, low market caps, and so on. How many coins should we add to this portfolio? Any wallet works for Pulse as long as you have your seed words for the wallet. No Coinbase crap. Remember, if you don't own the keys, you don't own the coin. Yeah, dude, so I'm good on Trust Wallet then, right? Davis, thank you very much for the super chat. Really appreciate that. I'd be good with Trust Wallet. Is that what you're telling me? As long as I'm good with Trust Wallet, I'm good. I agree. Mr. Enormous said, I picked 25 viewers to invest $100 on 25 coins and divide it at the end of the year. Would be fun. Let's see. Pick 25 viewers to invest $100 on 25 coins and divide it at the end of the year. Cyberbro 2077. Frank, I love it, dude. Mr. Enormous, explain that. Explain that. Pick 25 viewers to invest $100 on 25 coins. So I just picked 25 of you guys, and you each tell me one coin to put $100 in, and then divide it at the end of the year. And then what? And then send that between those 25 viewers? Is that what you're talking about? Or what's the... I think I might be missing it. Claybro! Read my message to Pringleton. I want to hear your thoughts on it, about the new tweet regarding the new pull-out policy, for lack of a better phrase. Oh my gosh. I think it's a stepping stone. 86,000 for spending 500,000 on Investor Connect. They test systems, a website, etc. before proper shareholder verified NFTs. Let's see. There you said AMC Travel. I'd be happy with that because NFT. What the Pringleton? Where was it? The Pringleton. I think it's NFT small subject for the US. Yeah, devil's advocate. Oh, Pringleton. I believe the significance of this rule change for it would be to compare it to bank holidays back in the day, and that they could be making it a rule in anticipation of a panic. Maybe, but I don't know what the rule is changing from. What do you guys know what the rule is changing from? It could be that way, man. I mean, it could be. They just want to hit you with a fee for pulling out, but I don't know what they're changing from. So I don't know if it's a drastic difference or not. Gave my Trust Wallet keys to this guy who DMs me. He said if I gave him my keys and don't check it for a year, he would triple my money I had in it. So I did. What do you think? That was an excellent idea, Rocket. That was an excellent idea. Not sketchy at all. Not sketchy at all, man. That guy was not me, by the way. If anybody's out there wondering, that guy was not me. I would never do that. 47 votes. Man, you guys are lame on the votes today. Come on. Don't you know how to use polls? Click the vote button. 25 coins. You guys are definitely going with the 25 coin range as opposed to 100 coins. You're saying 100 is too many. Interesting. Interesting. Smaller portfolio size is what you guys like. All right. I see you. I see you out there with the smaller portfolio size. Now I gotta find 25 coins to put in there. Let's see. What do we have? Did I just get a... What is this one? Maybe this is late. Okay, yeah, that was late. That was a message from Davis. Thoughts about Meta? You can get some crazy SHIB rewards from holding it. Yeah, product gaming. So I don't know too much about Meta and the developers behind it, but I think that they are doing very well to take advantage of the Shiba Inu hype in a way that's promoting their coin. So I don't know if everything is good to go with it or not, but I think that it is smart. Whether it's smart on the fact that they're getting, a lot of viewers and a lot of holders based on the Shiba dividends, and then they're going to end up screwing people over, or if it's literally going to be a project that lasts into the future or not. Like that, I don't know enough about it to make that decision, but I think they are smart for taking advantage of the hype in Shiba. Question, Clay bro, what do you think of the likelihood of these junk bonds from Evergrande, KSA out of Asia are going to be worthless? Hedge funds have been buying these bonds as a means of collateral to short. Assidious, 1864. I don't know how big Evergrande is. If it ends up being anything like the situation in 2008 where banks were facing failure, you could pick up some of these bonds and get them at a really good price right now because they're defaulting. And then if the Chinese government does come in and bail out Evergrande, they could be just fine. If it turns into like a 2008 situation, they could be just fine. But, I don't know how big they are, so I don't know if they're worth losing or what the mentality would be, but I can't put a percentage likelihood on it. Thoughts about Meta? Oh, I gotta get rid of this poll. All right, yeah, man, you guys are definitely on with the smaller portfolio size. All right, his user was Clay, bro. You told me it was your other account. Definitely my other account, man. Yep, that is definitely it. Yeah, man, I gotta take that account name right there. If you guys see a new Twitter, if you guys see me changing my Twitter name to Claybro like that, keep an eye out, because that's a good one. Hey Clay, Upper Edge Fitness app, they pledge to burn $500 worth of Shiba every time they go at 50,000 app downloads. Oh, very nice, man. And that's another way to do it. Because see, these app developers, to get people to download, they have to advertise. That's an excellent way to advertise directly to the Shiba Army who's willing to go out there and make that download right there. So I like it. But you guys know it is 1 o'clock. AMC Trapper is the first one on it. AMC Trapper saying peace out to all the diamond-handed apes. We're going to take a break, guys. We'll be back in a couple hours. Make sure to come back at around 3:30 and watch the video that's going to be coming out. Watch the live stream. Have some fun with us. Hang out with us. All that good. No messing with Chinese stocks. SEC cracking down on them. I like it. Shoot, I got some farming, man. Maybe I should get rid of my farming. Yo, a meta squad here. It looks like we do have a meta squad coming in here. Evening, Clay from England. She got me into crypto, and people like you have kept me in the game. Always chill vibes. Love watching FOMO buying, selling, and seeing the mistakes I was making. P.S. Wrench, a proper divvy. Very nice, man. I'm so glad you're in here hanging out. Crypto Racketeer says, boom, dabbing on him like always. Hello and goodbye. Julie Miller, bye-bye. Meta for life. Let's get it, Hugo. Later, bro verse. Leah, enjoy your afternoon. Have a great break, everybody. Danelle, you as well. See y'all later. Priggleton, you too. Frank, don't freeze out there, man. Enjoy your afternoon. We will be back. All right, guys, let's see. Devil's Advocate, I know you're in here. Rocket, I know you're in here. Shout out to you guys. Brett, if you're still in here, man, thank you very much for hanging out with us. We'll be back in a couple hours. Enjoy your lunch. Have some fun. Get some work done if you guys need to get some work done. All that good stuff. Peace, 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 peace out to you guys. And if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Until the next time, hope that each and every one of you has an awesome day.